Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. Quick update on a couple of coins. Remember, subscribe, like, share, infiltrate other stations, promote the channel, hashtag Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. So yes, you can get the in-depth technical analysis you deserve and desire and want and need on a daily basis. And you need to spread and infiltrate the channel. Subscribe to my Twitter. Use the links above and below. And go into other channels, into the shysters, fleecers, and charlatans out there that fleece, heist, and shyst the retail trader, you, and infiltrate their station so their audience, yes, more people can get the word of Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing so you can sidestep them, yes, the charlatans, the fleecers, heisters, and shysters into profitability and overt and subvert the overters and subverters, right? The criminal gangster cartel, yes, the Ohio State University. And you can see, we know we're thinking we might come up in double top here or possibly come up here. This is live TAN or live active trading alert. And right now, we think we're in a rising channel where you have your upper resistance. We're going to make this yellow so it's easy to see. Your lower support in yellow. And you can see we hit the top of that, out of that pattern that we broke out of. We hit that beautifully, the target, the first target. And now we got rejected. Now we might come back down here to retest this lower support right along the 200 and then try to come back up. That's what we're watching for today. And Doge, and the Dogecoin, right? We're going to see if it can come back down. That's not bright enough. That's not bright enough. That's shitty. That'll work. See that? We're going to see if we can't come retest down there at about the, get off there, delete. What number is that? At about the 29 cent level, 29.5 cent level would be a logical spot to come retest, just like it did back here. See that? Rejected, support, rejected, support. Trying to get rejected and maybe come back to support. We'll see if the pattern continues, right? That's what we're watching for in the Dogecoin. If we look at the XRP real quick, you can see we broke just like that the Doge was doing a pattern similar to that. Come on. That's why it's still stuck down there because it won't let me take it off. So we're just going to delete it. Get rid of that. But that's a bull flag too. But now this pumped out. But again with Doge, the one thing all these coins I'm concerned about is they squeeze up and pump. There's no volume behind them really. So this is probably going to come retest now. This upper resistance that it just broke out of at $1.29. And retest it as a lower support and then see if we can't get a kickoff, right? And bounce and get kind of use it as a launch pad, right? That's kind of what might happen here. If you fail to hold that when you come down, you're going to come down to the 200-day moving average in the 3-hour time frame. This is the 2-hour time frame, but it will be the 3-hour time frame that you come down to it. So that's what we're going to watch there, right? To see with the XRP, make that in the background so you can see the price action. I think, Ethereum they wanted to know. That's Ethereum Classic. Ethereum, we've done extensive work. Let's zoom out first because we have not talked about this in a while. We thought down here with this double bottom, see this? Where you had 1 and then 2. We thought there was about a 40% chance you were going to come retest right here into this upper conglomerates at 33,955, right? And then we thought there was a high likelihood we would start to come back down. But we said there was a lower likelihood that you continued past that and you could squeeze way up and get back in and over that rising wedge to try to form the ultimate bull trap. We're going to get rid of some of this now because I need to get some of this noise out so we can see this better. Get rid of that. And it's been a phenomenal pump, right? Phenomenal. Fuck. That's supposed to be down there somewhere. Get rid of this. Get rid of that. So this would be the classic bull trap. If this would be the bull trap of all bull traps, if this thing rolls over now with our drawing tool, if this starts to do this and ends up coming way back down, that was the ultimate bull trap, because you came down with our industry exclusive measuring tool from the top. You came down 61%. And from that, you've risen, holy shit, 132% since It's only been 2 months. That's a phenomenal pump. Anyone that had the fortitude to stay in that, phenomenal pump. Congratulations. Everyone that took that trading alert. We thought it would get up to here, right, with some high certainty, but we didn't forecast it to get there. We could see how it could, but we didn't think it would. We thought it would get to the first spot. Now, in super simple, easy ways to trade this market, you got to look in and see, is this going to keep sustaining the pump, or is this about to give back some of the gangs? And I would watch it, but until the pattern breaks down, you got to continue to assume it's going to go up. But at some point, it's going to come down. And I still think this right here, for the reasons that we discussed back there, is a very large. No, it's a little bit lower. It's at $1,969. It's not going to let me get it, but $1,969 will be a logical spot when this comes down. And when it does come down, if it comes down, which I do think it will trade down eventually, just keep an eye on it. It looks like it's forming another consolidation. On the break up, I would be looking for this to be your upper new target, $4,248. And if it breaks down out of this consolidation and falls through the moving averages, I would look for it to come retest the 200-day or sneak back down to right here at $3,078, right? Like, subscribe, and share to Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. Remember, your job is, yes, your job to get me to 1,000 subscribers. And once again, after the 20th of October, all fan mail will be tossed. I just have too much to do. Once again, all fan mail after the 20th of October will be tossed. I say that with peace and love, peace and love.